Step 1. Visa-free countries. Indian citizens enjoy visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to numerous countries, providing them with convenient travel opportunities. Some of these destinations include Qatar, Indonesia, Maldives, Thailand, Oman, Fiji, and several others. Feel free to select any of these countries for your journey, or you may explore additional destinations by applying for a visitor visa in advance. Step 2. Plan your trip. Choose your destination based on your interests, budget, and time available. Set a budget for transportation, accommodation, activities, and other expenses. Research your destination, including its culture, attractions, and local recommendations. Determine the duration of your trip based on your available time and desired activity. Step 3. Document your journey. Capture footage. Start recording as soon as your trip begins. Film a mix of wide shots to showcase the location and close-up shots to capture details and emotions. Include footage of yourself interacting with the surroundings, trying new things, and engaging in activities. Don't forget to film roll footage, which includes shots of landscapes, street scenes, and other relevant visuals that you can use as transitions or to enhance your storytelling. Include personal moments. Vlogging is not just about showcasing the destination, it's also about sharing your personal experiences and emotions. Talk to the camera and share your thoughts, impressions, and reflections throughout the trip. This will help your viewers connect with you on a deeper level. Step 4. Camera presence. Choose between on-camera presence or staying behind the camera in your vlog, based on your preference and the desired style. On-camera presence allows for a personal connection and sharing of experiences, while staying behind the camera focuses on showcasing the destination. Consider a combination of both approaches for good audience retention. Step 5. Video editing. When editing a trip vlog, consider factors such as storytelling, video and audio quality, roll footage, transitions, pace and timing, music and sound effects, color grading, titles and graphics, smooth transitions and stabilization, and the overall length and engagement of the video. Pay attention to these elements to create an engaging and visually appealing vlog. Step 6. Publish and await for the audience. Share your completed video on your YouTube channel. Remember that gaining popularity on YouTube takes time and dedication. YouTube income varies widely and depends on factors such as ads, sponsorships, memberships, merchandise, and crowdfunding. Earnings are influenced by factors like views, engagement, channel size, content niche, location, and partnerships. Success requires consistency, quality content, audience engagement, and meeting eligibility requirements for monetization. If luck is on your side, your video might just go viral, attracting a large audience and increasing your channel's visibility. Money will automatically flow in your way. Thank you for watching. I will share the useful links below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.